Hey there, if you're looking into Landbot and wondering whether it's the right fit for your business, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know before making a decision, from features and use cases to how it compares with other chatbot platforms out there. So grab a coffee, settle in, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Landbot is the right move for you. Now, let's start with what Landbot actually is. You might think it's just another chatbot builder, but it's way more than that. Landbot is a full-blown conversational experience platform. That means it's not just about automating answers or setting up a few chat flows. With Landbot, you get a drag-and-drop interface that lets you create complex workflows, personalized logic trees, and engaging customer journeys, without writing a single line of code. It's perfect if you're a marketer, sales rep, or part of a support team and want something powerful yet easy to use. What really makes Landbot stand out from the crowd is its user interface. Compared to more technical tools like Intercom or Drift, which often require some level of development knowledge, Landbot's interface is incredibly intuitive. Everything is visual. You build your bot by connecting blocks, and everything happens in real time. No coding, no waiting, just quick iterations and live testing. If you've ever felt intimidated by chatbot builders in the past, Landbot makes the entire experience feel like playing with a digital Lego. Another major advantage of Landbot is how well it integrates with other tools. You don't want your chatbot to live in isolation, right? Well, Landbot connects with over 50 platforms. Think HubSpot, Google Sheets, MailChimp, Slack, Zapier, and so many more. This means you can pass data between tools, trigger automations, or even personalize messages based on CRM information, and the integrations are super easy to set up. No complex API keys or server-side configurations. It's all built into the visual editor, which saves you time and headaches. Speaking of platforms, Landbot isn't limited to your website. It also supports deployment across WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and even SMS. That's a big deal if you're trying to meet your customers where they are. A lot of other tools, like ManyChat for instance, are heavily focused on just one channel like Facebook Messenger. Landbot, on the other hand, gives you true multi-channel flexibility without forcing you to juggle separate accounts or dashboards. You set it up once and reuse it across different platforms, which is both efficient and cost-effective. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is often where things get tricky. Landbot follows a freemium model, which is awesome if you're just testing the waters. You can start building bots right away without spending a dime. But of course, more advanced features like AI-powered conversations, analytics, and certain integrations are locked behind paid plans. That's sad compared to high-end competitors like Drift or Intercom. Landbot is surprisingly affordable, especially for small businesses or startups. You can get a lot of mileage out of the free or entry-level plans before ever needing to upgrade. However, like any powerful platform, there is a bit of a learning curve. While Landbot is easy to pick up initially, creating more advanced workflows like conditional logic, segmentation, or lead scoring can take some trial and error. If you're someone who just wants to plug and play a basic bot and never think about it again, then something like Tidio might suit you better. But if you're open to exploring Landbot's potential and learning a bit as you go, you'll be rewarded with a much more flexible and capable system. Customer support is another big win for Landbot. They've got live chat, email support, and an extensive help center with tutorials and documentation. But what really impressed me is their active community. If you get stuck or want inspiration, their user forums are full of helpful threads, templates, and best practices. You're not left to figure things out on your own. There's a collaborative energy that makes learning and building with Landbot actually fun. One of the final things I want to highlight is scalability. Whether you're a solo founder running a one-person show or part of a large enterprise, Landbot scales with you. They offer multiple pricing tiers and feature sets that can grow as your needs evolve. So if you start small with just a few bots on your website and later decide to roll out support on WhatsApp or Facebook, or even implement AI workflows, Landbot has you covered. You don't have to start from scratch or migrate to another platform as your business expands. Plus, they've been continuously improving the platform over the years. It's clear the Landbot team is listening to user feedback and actively rolling out new features and updates. This kind of consistent development gives me confidence that this isn't just a one-hit wonder, but a tool that's here to stay and grow with its user base. So, what are some real-world use cases? For marketers, Landbot can be a lead generation machine. You can qualify leads through conversations, capture contact info, segment users, and even trigger email campaigns based on responses. For support teams, it can automate FAQs, escalate complex issues to live agents, and keep customers engaged 24/7. And for product teams, it's a great way to onboard users or gather feedback without relying on long forms or clunky emails. If you're running an e-commerce site, you can use Landbot to help customers find products, check order statuses, and even offer upsells. For service-based businesses, you can automate bookings, send reminders, and provide post-service follow-ups. Basically, if your business involves any kind of conversation with customers, Landbot can make that experience smoother and more efficient. Another cool feature is the use of conditional logic and variables. This means your chatbot can remember user inputs and personalize future interactions. So if someone says their name is Sarah and they're interested in marketing services, the bot can later greet them by name and offer tailored suggestions. That level of personalization used to require a developer, but with Landbot it's all point and click. You also get access to pre-built templates if you don't want to start from scratch. These cover everything from lead gen and surveys to support and onboarding. You can use them as is or customize them to match your brand and goals. It's a great time saver, especially if you're new to building chatbots or just need to launch something quickly. And for those who are a bit more tech-savvy, Landbot also supports API calls, webhooks, and custom scripts. So if you really want to push the limits and build something complex, you can. It's that rare platform that's beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for advanced users. That balance is hard to find in the chatbot world. So, to wrap it all up, Landbot isn't just another chatbot builder. It's a comprehensive conversational platform that combines ease of use with serious depth. Whether you're looking to automate support, drive conversions, or engage customers across multiple channels, Landbot gives you the tools to do it without needing a developer on your team. If you're ready to see what Landbot can do for your business, just click the first link in the description to start your free trial. You'll get full access to explore the platform, try out its features, and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Plus, that link gives you a few exclusive benefits that you won't get by signing up directly. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. I always try to reply. Until